Interactive email is a great way to boost customer engagement. But what is it and how do you use it effectively? Stay tuned to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Interactive email content is a functional element in the email body. It allows recipients to click, tap, scroll, hover over, or interact with the email in some way. Interactive email elements can be hover effects, image rollover effects, buttons, gamification elements, polls, surveys, forms, or other user-generated content, interactive sounds, and videos and animation. To create interactive email content, you'll need AMP technology. This lets you add a third MIME to your messages. If you don't want to code from scratch, most modern email editors provide AMP as part of their drag-and-drop editors. Either way, you should always create a fallback version in the HTML and plain text formats. That's because many email clients don't support AMP technology. With a solid fallback plan, your recipients will always be able to view your emails regardless of their client's support for AMP technology. While interactive emails seem fun and engaging, they'll only work if you get them right. So here are some best practices to keep in mind. Concentrate on one interactive element per email. Optimize your emails for accessibility. Create a fallback version with HTML and plain text. Send interactive emails moderately. Dedicate time and resources to testing. With the tools such as Mailtrap email testing, you can keep your interactive emails neat and avoid spam complaints. Easily check which HTML tags aren't supported in email clients and ensure your interactive elements perform as expected. That wraps up our quick overview of interactive emails. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!